In this video, I'll show you what to do in case your TCL Roku TV remote control is not working anymore. This could happen because of many different things, so I'll show you. So let me share with you my solution that I'm pretty sure will fix your problem. So first thing you need to do, and this can be done with the TV turned on or off, doesn't matter really, is to unplug the TV from the wall socket. So I'll go ahead and pull the plug. Then you're gonna notice that under the TV there is a button. This is the power button if you didn't know. Maybe yours is on the left side, middle. This TCL Roku TV is on the right side. Keep this power button pressed during 30 seconds. After 30 seconds, release your finger from it. Take your remote control, turn it around and remove the batteries. With the battery removed, we'll need to keep this button pressed during 30 seconds. Okay, after 30 seconds, release that button and put back the batteries. I always suggest you try with new batteries because maybe this was the issue. A simple battery swap could solve the problem. So try using different batteries. In my case, I'll just put them back over here. Now it's time to connect back the TV. Do not power on the TV using the remote control. Use the power button located under the one you pressed. Just tap it once to power on the TV. Let me find it. Here we go. Let it turn on. And once the TV is turned on, go ahead and start using your remote and hopefully it will finally work again. So thanks for watching. I hope this was useful. If you have any other tricks, please let me know in the comments down below. If not, subscribe, like, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.